Are you interested in becoming a Sigma male? A Sigma male is a guy who is self-sufficient, prosperous, and independent. He does not follow the throng and does not require direction. But being a Sigma male is more than simply being a lone wolf. It is also about financial freedom. So today we are going to explore Sigma male money, how to make money and live a financially free life. Sigma males do not follow the crowd and do not care what others think. They are self-sufficient, autonomous, and continually searching for ways to improve themselves. Sigma guys are no different when it comes to money. They're not interested in following the newest trends or taking advice from others. They want to earn their own money and do so on their terms. So, how do the Sigma men make their money? They are differentiated by a few key distinctions. They concentrate on their abilities and capabilities. When it comes to financial prosperity, Sigma men have a laser-like concentration. They recognize the worth of their qualities and capacities as the key to unlocking a universe of opportunity. In contrast to others, these people intelligently avoid wasting their valuable time on tasks in which they lack expertise. Instead, they devote themselves to perfecting their abilities and talents, aiming for excellence and advancement at all times. This unwavering commitment enables them to harness their outstanding qualities and use them as effective weapons for earning riches. Sigma people cleverly leverage their aptitudes into profitable paths for financial success by channeling their energies toward what they excel at. They're inventive and imaginative. Sigma guys' creative and imaginative spirit distinguishes them in their pursuit of financial success. They are always pushed by a desire for advancement and are always looking for new and better ways to create income. Fearlessness becomes an ally when they bravely accept the danger, unafraid of the uncertainties that come with it. They actively explore unexplored territory, unafraid to dive into unfamiliar seas, with an intense curiosity and a quest for novelty. Their desire to explore and adapt stimulates their readiness to push the boundaries of their comfort zone. This dynamic attitude enables Sigma guys to unearth hidden possibilities and unexplored markets, driving them ahead on their path to financial wealth. They are tenacious and determined. The core of Sigma guys is perseverance and unrelenting drive. They are resilient in the face of adversity and refuse to give up easily. These people understand that the road to prosperity is paved with hard work and perseverance. They willingly devote significant time and effort to their endeavors, well aware that success does not happen quickly. They have an uncompromising work ethic, constantly seeking to exceed their limitations and conquer hurdles in their path. They are driven by an unwavering determination and retain an unwavering concentration on their goals, refusing to be distracted by setbacks or momentary failures. Sigma guys reflect the idea that genuine achievement is gained by unshakable devotion and an unyielding conviction in their ability. There are a few things you may do if you want to be a Sigma guy and earn financial freedom. Determine your strengths and weaknesses. When it comes to identifying the road to financial prosperity, embarking on an adventure of self-discovery becomes critical. Sigma guys value introspection and want to find their natural abilities and qualities. They do introspective research into their hobbies, interests, and areas of competence. They get a thorough grasp of what they excel in and what offers them delight by discovering their particular abilities. Armed with this self-awareness, they expertly calculate how to turn their talents into lucrative possibilities. They match their hobbies with prospective revenue streams, experimenting with new methods to commercialize their abilities and carve out a market niche for themselves. Sigma men embrace the potential of self-awareness to carve a happy and financially lucrative route forward, with their sights firmly focused on maximizing their innate skills. Be inventive and imaginative. Accept imagination and inventiveness as your guiding lights on the remarkable trip to wealth development. Those who dare to challenge conventional thinking and venture into unexplored territory will find liberation. Unleash your imagination with abandon, for it contains the capacity to reveal unequaled prospects. Break away from the constraints of conformity, for a huge landscape of possibilities awaits your investigation. Make your path, ignoring the constraints imposed by conventional standards. Become a forerunner of innovation, bravely questioning accepted assumptions and forging your path. Enjoy the rush of reinvention, bringing new ideas to life that challenge the established quo. Carve a distinct niche that distinguishes you from the crowd when you venture outside the bounds of tradition. Remember that the most amazing journeys to financial plenty are typically undertaken by those who are bold enough to see beyond the commonplace. Accept the limitless universe of innovation and invention, and watch as new riches vistas appear before your eyes. Be tenacious and committed. Accept tenacity and dedication as your unshakable partners on the revolutionary path to financial achievement. Refuse to be discouraged when presented with barriers. Instead, use each failure to strengthen your determination. Recognize that accumulating money does not happen immediately, but requires patient and consistent effort over time. It necessitates steadfast commitment, a never-ending search for information, and a strong work ethic. Understand that difficulties and setbacks are necessary elements of the process, testing your determination and pushing you to evolve. In the face of hardship, gather your inner strength and press on with unwavering conviction. Allow each obstacle to serve as a chance for development, learning, and adaptability. You have the indomitable will to conquer any hurdle and achieve your financial goals because you have persistence as your steadfast compass and tenacity as your guiding light. Utilize the transforming power of persistence, since aspirations become a reality through unflinching devotion. Sigma guys are not scared to stand out. They do not follow the crowd and do not care what others think. They are self-sufficient, autonomous, and continually searching for ways to improve themselves. Follow these guidelines and never give up on your targets if you want to be a Sigma guy and attain financial freedom. If you enjoyed this video and want to know more interesting facts like this, stay tuned. For that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share our videos.